Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming 2 essentials. Your iPhone is unlocked and iCloud keychain is active. Once done, open Settings and tap Passwords. You'll search for Netflix to see any saved credentials. Use Face ID or your passcode to reveal the password. If you find it, copy it safely and test it in the Netflix app. If nothing appears, proceed to the reset path. Make sure your account email or phone is reachable before moving on. Now you'll continue by using the Netflix app's Forgot Password flow or visiting Netflix. On Safari. Enter your account email or phone and send the reset link. Once you get the email or SMS, open it on your iPhone, tap the secure reset link, and create a strong new password. Make sure to save that password back to iCloud keychain or your preferred manager so you don't repeat this reset. Also update any other devices where you stay logged in for continuity. Finish by signing into the Netflix app on your iPhone to confirm everything works, then update saved credentials in settings so autofill is current. Make sure to sign out of devices you don't recognize from account sign out of all devices to prevent reuse. If you cannot access the account email or keychain, don't try hacks. Instead, contact Netflix support, be ready with billing or account details to verify ownership, and ask them to send.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.